Kiharo-ini kia Narok ni ku First Lady akugomanite na ikundi cia atumia iria iri rungu rwa ngwataniro ya maendeleo ya wanawake kuma kaunti cia Narok, Kajiado, Bomet, Kericho na Naikuru. Hindi ya mucemanio uyu ni kuoire mweke gucokeria akenya ngatho ni undu wa kurugama na President Uhuru Kenyatta.
First start by bringing you warm greetings from His Excellency the President. He has sent me with a message to you, which is also my message, to say thank you very much. Asanteni sana, asheole.
Augete kulingana na uria Kenya meyumiririe na njira nene tariki 8 na makihe President Uhuru kura ni ikinya ria kuonania mari na mwihoko na utongoria wake.
I want to take a special moment to acknowledge to you all and say that after a hard-fought campaign and the overwhelming numbers of voters who went out to the polling stations on the election day of the 8th of August, we have kept our resolve, we have kept our faith. And I am assured of that because I see you here today. For that, I say thank you.
Hamwe nao First Lady ni agathiririe uhotani munene uria atumia maiyukirie githurano-ini kihituku akimerera ati thirikari ya President Kenyatta ne gutigirana ni maigwe kana na marumbuyo uria kufatie. Atongoria angi aria mauma kigomano-ini giki ni hamwe na Governor wa Narok Samuel Tunai, mutumia wa uria wari Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Helen Kaiseri, oro hamwe na murugamiriri wa gikundi kia Hadi Kenya Dr. Stanley Kamau. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV rate ria kwani wa ngui wa Mwangi.